Every towering tree, colorful flower, and lush crop begins its journey as something small, a seed. But how does this tiny package transform into a thriving plant? Let's break it down. A seed contains three key parts: the seed coat, which protects it, the endosperm, which stores nutrients, and the embryo, the tiny plant waiting to grow. But for this process to begin, a seed needs the right conditions. Water, oxygen, and the right temperature are essential. Once the seed absorbs water, something amazing happens. It swells and the seed coat softens. This marks the start of germination. The first sign of life is the radicle, or the root. It pushes downward into the soil, anchoring the seed and starting to absorb water and nutrients. Soon after, the shoot begins to emerge, growing upward toward the surface. As the shoot breaks through the soil, it develops tiny leaves. These leaves allow the plant to capture sunlight, which powers the process of photosynthesis, how the plant makes its own food. At this stage, the seed's stored nutrients are used up and the young plant becomes self-sufficient. Its roots grow deeper, its leaves grow larger, and it begins to thrive. From that small dormant seed, a full-grown plant will eventually bloom, proof of nature's incredible transformation. All it needed was the right environment, a little patience, and the power of life itself.